Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, user roles, permissions, and API keys. These prevent later access problems. Log in, then immediately connect barcode scanners and label printers so hardware and software communicate. Once done, import or sync the master item list and enable real-time inventory updates to avoid mismatches. This first phase sets a reliable foundation. You want accurate, live stock levels and functioning devices before you proceed to process flows. You now configure workflows, map inbound receiving, put away logic, picking, packing, and outbound processes so each step has a clear owner and trigger. Set wave logic and picking priorities to optimize throughput. Choose location strategies like FIFO or LIFO to match product life cycles. Next, create exception rules for damaged goods, returns, and scheduled cycle counts so the system routes anomalies automatically. Once configured, run a short pilot with a representative order batch to validate timings and task assignments. You perform a controlled go-live. Start with a limited SKU set, monitor KPIs like inventory accuracy, throughput, and system latency, and collect operator feedback. Train floor staff using scripted scenarios and quick reference job aids so they handle normal and exception tasks consistently. Once stable, ramp up SKUs and throughput while watching error logs. If something goes wrong, first resync master data and restart device services. Make sure the user permissions and API tokens are valid before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.